The spread of disease is not only expensive, but dangerous. Tens of millions of dollars are spent every year fighting disease caused by the spread of infective contaminants. Millions more are spent cleaning up unnecessary messes. A person's blood, vomit, and mucus can infect medical workers, contaminate nearby surfaces, and infect other people who come in contact with the pathogens. I'm Dr. Stephen Wheeler. I've been an emergency physician for over 25 years. Working with my partner Al Whitcomb, an advanced care paramedic for over 30 years, we've witnessed countless events where dangerous fluids spouting from our patients set the stage for the spread of disease far beyond its source. We put our heads together and came up with a simple, effective solution. We call it the Stall, Shield, and Stand. And it can reduce the amount of infective contaminants spread unnecessarily by over 90%. It's a simple device that slips onto a Yonker or other suction catheter and keeps dangerous biological fluids to a localized area. For over a century, airway management has involved the Yonker suction catheter. Often, a patient will gag, cough, or vomit, spewing fluid as well as generating thousands of microscopic particles called fomites. These fomites are not only inhaled, but also can travel several meters to land on clothing and equipment and people. There's not much that healthcare providers can do other than wear eye protection or a face guard, until now. The Stall, Shield, and Stand easily slips onto a Yonker, syringe, eye lavage, scalpel, and many other tools. Then it's simply business as usual. The clear plastic allows the healthcare worker to see through the device and perform their work normally. When an event occurs, the shield deflects the liquid, vapor, and particulates. And with its inner seal, it's virtually watertight. Occasionally, Yonkers and other tools will fall to the floor, immediately becoming contaminated. Sadly, the usual scenario involves simply picking up the now contaminated device, resulting in fingers touching the floor and then, at best, wiping it off rather than getting a new one. This is not what we were taught. Our device prevents this. When a Yonker with a stall hits the floor, it's held upright by the stall. The business end never touches the ground, and the worker's fingers stay clean. The stall is both an effective stand as well as a shield. This means caregivers will enjoy cleaner procedures and greatly reduce cross-contamination. Confining contamination is the first step in reducing the spread of infectious disease. Not only does this protect people, it enables business continuity, reducing sick time, cleaning times, and reducing patient loads. The benefits of the stall are plain to see. It's simple and it works. Contact us at Pradaptive Medical to ensure you have the Stall, Shield, and Stand. It's time to make the stall an essential component of your infection control plan. Remember, practice safe suction. Thank you.